it's about having an organisation like Improvement Cymru that will listen to what we think we need to do, sit alongside us as we work that out, because actually to just jump at a solution is not a really good improvement methodology. It's about helping us and reminding us to take those steps back. So what is the issue we're trying to address, and then what are the various drivers to achieving an improvement. I think it's actually having people alongside who actually help take you through that pathway rather than try and jump in with a solution. It doesn't mean that for every problem that we come up with when we have a conversation with yourselves in Improvement Cymru, it's a case of, oh, well, no, we don't know either, but we'll work with you. Sometimes it's a case of, well, we've heard what you said very specifically, but we do know of these methods that have been successful elsewhere, and you've helped open our eyes to possible, as opposed to enforcing a set method on us. And I think that is, if you fundamentally, to achieve sustainable change, that the teams that are involved have to absolutely own and work with that change. So have it enforced upon doesn't usually work, whereas developing it alongside works. And I think that's what we get when we work with Improvement Cymru. I'm not saying that other partners couldn't do the same, but that's definitely what we get when we work with Improvement Cymru.